over your 3 years of stay in American college, you have to complete all the courses from part 1 to part 5. Part 1, language papers. Part 2, English. Part 3, major and supportive courses. Part 4, life skill and NME courses. Part 5, NSS, PED and SLP program. Part 1, Tamil, Hindi and French papers are offered. You can choose one paper from these three. Then part 2, English paper is a compulsory paper offered by English department for all degree programs in our college for the first 2 years. Part 3, major and supportive courses. These courses are offered by your own department and neighboring department. Mathematics department can offer courses for other science programs, that is for physics and chemistry. Zoology department can offer a paper for botany. And similarly, commerce paper can be offered to economics students. And part 4, life skill and non-major elective courses. You have to appear for the non-major elective courses 3 hours a week in semester 1 and semester 2. At the same time, life skill course also available for you from semester 1 to semester 4. You have to attend 3 hours a week for the whole 4 semesters. Now for non-major elective, for those who have selected either Hindi or French in part 1, they must select advanced Tamil only. For those who have not studied Tamil in either 10th standard or 12th standard, they must select basic Tamil instead of advanced Tamil. A non-major elective for BCom professional accounting program, they must choose advanced Tamil only. For English students, for those who have selected Tamil in part 1, they can choose any one program from these available courses offered by Information Technology Department, Viscom Department, Food Science, Psychology Department, Computer Science Department and Physical Education Department. For BIT, BVC and COS students, those who have selected Tamil in part 1, they can choose any one of these available programs. English, Hindi, Commerce Professional Accounting, Food Science, Psychology Department and Physical Education Department offered courses, out of which you can choose any one. For BPE, FSN and PSY students, they can also choose one course out of these available courses. Life skill courses, which is common for all majors, you have to choose only one paper out of this list. Part 5, you can join in any one of this program, NSS, PED and service learning program. You have to complete any one of this program for 2 years in this undergraduate program. For the registration of life skill non-major elective courses, the link will be shared in college website and Google Classroom shortly. Thanks a lot. God bless you.